If I was building Iron Man and War Machine...
It's Iron Patriot now.
That's way cooler.
No, it's not.
Hi all, welcome to my hobby room, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we're going to be doing issues 15 and 16 of the Iron Man from Fanhome. Do love these comics, you know, like they have them. We'll start with issue 15. I hope you do enjoy this series of looking at the comics along with me. Here we have issue 15. The Mandarin returns, Dragon Seed. Tony Stark created Iron Man's armour to survive, and since then he has been living on borrowed time. But now that time is running out, and the Mandarin aims to accelerate the end. Apparently there's a lot of dragons in this one as well, and Fanhome makes an appearance. There's 10 dragons. China's involved, and the Mandarin trying to take over the world, or rule the world. And here we have the continuation of the story. Dragon Seed. There's one of the dragons. Apparently they come from another planet, and where is it? The Magellanic Cloud. You try and pronounce that. And then we have the parts. The left elbow joint, part 1, which we've done previously. This is for the left arm. We've done the right arm, so it is a repeat, obviously. See, Iron Man's got 2 arms. And then the next page, the Mandarin, enemies forever. Ooh, nasty man. Nothing like Iron Man 3. Is it Iron Man 3? Where the Mandarin was in it, he was a bit of a joke character. There we have 4 pages of it. Seems to go on forever, doesn't it? What is it? Yep, 4 pages. And then we've got Model 12, Telepresence Armour. This army debuted in Iron Man number 290, just in time to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the creation of Iron Man. It was short-lived, as its only goal was to keep Tony Stark alive and allow him to continue his crusade against evil while recovering. Excellent stuff. Keep saying it, but I do love the artwork. And there we have, next issue, Build the Left Elbow Joint 2 and Operation Galactic Storm. Excellent stuff. Let's get on with the build. Here we have the parts. That's 16, John, not 15. And we just need a screwdriver. Like I said, there's not a fantastic lot to this. Issue 15. 15A is a left arm elbow joint upper. 15C left arm elbow joint cover, and 15B left arm elbow joint lower, and 15D left arm elbow joint washers, which I've just popped out. Now these parts are metal except for the washers, and basically, like I said, there's not a great lot to it. Need them here. Put the washers on here and here. There's only, doesn't matter which way you put them, and then we basically fit that on there, that there. That is this issue complete. Brilliant. What a great lot to it. How sad it's come to an end so quickly. So we can do issue 16. But first of all, let's have a look at the magazine. Put them parts outside there like that. To the Infinity, Operation Galactic Storm. Have a look. The crossover story Operation Galactic Storm saw the Avengers once again as Earth's first line of defense and made the perfect sequel to the classic Kree-Skrull war saga. And there we have an ensemble of Avengers. And this picture here. Our combined abilities are next to nothing against great powers as vast as the Kree and Shire empires. Captain America. Loves his quote, that man. And here we have a bit of a tussle with Thor and the gladiator leader of the Shire Imperial Guard, the Negabomb. And here we have, on behalf of the Avengers, I officially conceded our surrender to the Kree Empire. Iron Man. Oh dear. Then we have instructions. This is left elbow joint 2. Again, a cover. Left arm elbow connector, 2 washers and some GP screws. And it's just a matter of a couple of screws and we're done, basically. Epic stories, the best moments, choosing highlights from the history of Iron Man from his creation, his comic book series covering nearly 6 decades and his countless appearances in other titles in the Marvel Universe is a seriously daunting task, but we like a challenge. Oh, there we go. Hawkeye, Black Widow, Happy Hogan and Pepper Potts made their debuts in the pages of Tales of Suspense number 57, written by Stan Lee with art by Don Heck. Carrying on with Mr. Stark and the history of Iron Man. And there we have, back pages, Model 13, modular armour. The Model 13 armour was conceived by the same team which created the War Machine suit. Writer Leo Kaminsky and artist Kevin Hopgood, better known as the modular armour, it first appeared in Iron Man Volume 1, number 300. Excellent stuff again. The artwork is brilliant. And that is that for issue 16. There we go, Captain America Volume 1, number 401, epic issue. This issue is the official conclusion of Operation Galactic Storm and is mainly focused on Steve Rogers as he ponders whether to resign as the leader of the Avengers. Next issue, Build the Left Forearm, the coming of War Machine. Anyway, let's crack on with issue 16. And we need the parts from 15. Let's get these out of the bag. Now, here we go. It's plastic, and these washers basically go on there and there, like so. The reason why I'm putting them on there is because they go on here and here. But obviously, flip that over. We're in doo-doo land, and this goes in here like that. Then that goes over there, and all we need to do is put a couple of GP screws in here. Get the screws out of the bag. Going into plastic, obviously, so be careful not to strip the thread. There we go. As soon as you feel the resistance, don't go any further. Resistance is futile. Oops, from franchise. Well, there we go. That is that. Issue 15 and 16 complete. Well, excellent. We're done again for another 2 issues. There we go. It's a bit looser than the last one, but anyway. That is that complete. Makes it is so simple because there's very little to do in these issues, but it is what it is. I hate that saying. I'm gonna stop using it. Not saying it again. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you for issues 17 and 18. If not this week, definitely on Monday. So take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I'm sorry, this is the fun V. The humdrum V is back there.